This 2019 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series GT531L5 is a Class A RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Forest River is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slide-outs, sleeps 5, external shower, skylight, water heater, DVD player, oven, microwave, slide-out, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, and 82 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2019 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series GT531L5 is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.